Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. And today I'm going to making black sweet rice snack bar, guys. And this is black sweet rice. I'm going to use 500 gram of black sweet rice. And you have to wash it first, guys. So after that, you have to put water on it and leave it for 3 hours. And after I leave it for 3 hours, I throw the water, guys. And right now I'm going to cook it with the rice cooker. And I'm going to add 350 milliliter of coconut milk. Put it on the sweet rice. Mix it a little bit first. Okay, I'm going to cook it right now. And I'm going to press on rice. And waiting until boiling first, guys, okay? Okay, so already boiled right now. I'm going to stir it a little bit. So in the bottom doesn't getting burn, guys. And right now I'm going to cook it again until cooked. And right now I'm going to use 300 milliliter of coconut milk. I'm going to boil it first, guys. And I'm going to add 165 gram of sugar. And 3 pieces of pandan leaf. And teaspoon of salt. I'm so sorry, guys. I forgot to take video of that. Okay, waiting until boiling first, guys. It's already boiling right now. The sweet rice already cooked, guys. So I'm going to put it all of them. I'm going to cook it with the coconut milk. And I'm so sorry, guys. I forget to take video of that. I apologize, okay? Mix it a little bit first, guys. And using middle heat, guys, okay? And keep stir until thick, guys. Guys, I think next Friday will be rain. I don't know if I can post a video next Friday. I just kidding. I just kidding, guys. I'm going to post a video every Friday, new recipe, okay? Because I love you all. Thank you so much, guys, for your sub, for your love and support, okay? Okay, almost done, guys. Just with a little bit more. Okay, scoop already right now. Okay, it's good enough right now. But before I put it in the container, I'm going to take off all the pandan leaf. I'm going to take out all of them. Okay, no more pandan leaf. And right now I'm going to put it all of them in the container. I'm going to make it flat first. Okay, it's good enough right now. Waiting until getting cold first, guys. And I'm going to use 300 gram of shredded coconut. I'm going to steam it first. The reason I steam it the coconut, so the coconut doesn't get spoiled so fast. And steam it for 5 minutes, guys. Okay, the sweet rice already cold right now. I'm going to cut it pieces. I'm going to cut it in 5 pieces. It's very soft and very thick, guys. And I cut it little square. Okay, the shredded coconut is already cooked right now. I'm going to mix it sweet rice with the shredded coconut. I'm going to mix it all of them. Okay, I mix it already. Okay, all done, guys. Let me try first right now. This is inside, guys. It's very soft. The sweet is very perfect sweet. It's not too sweet at all, and have coconut on the top on it. It tastes super delicious, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.